Guys, look what I have here. I finally got the almighty DJI Pocket 3. Yeah, I have been, I've been thinking if I really need this camera, but yeah, I've come to the conclusion that I do need it because I have other camera that I'm using before. So yeah, I decided to get this. Let's unbox it, guys. Let's unbox it. I'm so excited to get this. Yeah, hopefully it serve its purpose where you guys good. I just remove it. Yeah, I have a Canon M50 that I normally use to record my videos, and I have yeah, we do have DJI Pocket 2. We have the Pocket 2 of this actually, but that Pocket 2 I don't really like the quality. Like the quality is not okay to my taste. That is why I don't normally use that one to vlog. It's still very, very small, just like this one, even smaller than this. Yes, the Pocket 2 is smaller than this Pocket 3. So yeah, I decided to go for this Pocket 3 because I actually need it. Guys, let's open this. When you are doing something, this is what I do. I'm a content creator, obviously. Yeah, so this is my job. I have to invest on it. I invest on it. So without feeling guilty, actually. Let's open it. Oh. You see that's yay. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm unboxing this camera. I've been seeing it a lot on the internet, I've been seeing it a lot. So, and I'm unboxing mine just to show you that it's new. Anyway, I got the combo. So this one actually came with everything. Yeah, it came with everything. You see how well packaged it is. This came with everything, like the mic, the charger, the bag storage, to keep your camera safe, the charger, and every other thing. So let's first of all open this. Let me see what is it. I think it's the tripod. Oh, it's not the tripod. It's the case, the protector. This is the protector for DJI. Guys, can you see that? This is the protector. So let's open the almighty DJI Pocket 3. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Although I'm not surprised, this is not my first time holding it. Like I said, we have the Pocket 2 at home, but I don't just like the quality of that one. It's so clear, so crispy outside, but when it comes to using it inside for vlog, I really don't like the quality to my taste. Anyway, you guys. Okay, let's do. Can you hear the sound of that? Can you hear the sound of that? And let's on it. Let's on it. Honey, now here that they on now. See who wants use it. Now here now. Let's on it, guys. Can you see that? Can you see that? They asked me if I want to set it to English. Of course, English. This camera, it came, yeah, let me show you guys what it came with first. Let me off this. You see, this is the case. This one actually way more than, I think this one way more than the Pocket 2. Yeah, I think so. How did they do this? I really don't know. But yeah, we are going to find out anyways how it's done. I don't know if it's here. I think it's like this. You see, guys, this is the case. I think it's like this. So it came with actually got the combo, like I said. It comes with okay, this is the charger. Look at this, guys. This is the charger. I don't know what's this. Let's check. No, I think this is the charger actually. Maybe this is the mic. I think so. I don't really know, but you see it came with this too. Okay, this is the tripod. It's a very tiny tripod, guys. Can you see that? It's a very tiny tripod. So what else do they come with? Okay, this is the mic receiver. I thought it came with two of these, but yeah, I'm actually seeing one here. It's okay. I'm actually seeing one here. I thought it came with two. Yeah, this is the mic receiver. The receiver. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited. And it came with the charger, of course. Anyway, guys, I can't wait to start using my new camera. I'm going to start using it soon so that I can show you guys the quality, but I have to set it up first because I really need to learn a lot about DJI, because it's my husband that have been using that Pocket 2 that I say we have before. So I need to learn more about using DJI. I really don't know much about it. Anyway, guys, see you all in my next video, probably with this camera. Yeah, bye.